Mastering Musical Maintenance, the Art of Saxophone Repair. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a very special topic: saxophone repair. Not only will you learn about this unique skill, but you'll also acquire new English vocabulary related to music and instrument maintenance. Let's dive into the melodious world of saxophones and discover how they are cared for and repaired. Before we talk about repairing a saxophone, it's essential to know what a saxophone is. A saxophone is a musical instrument belonging to the woodwind family. It's made of brass and is played by blowing air through a single reed mouthpiece. You might have seen it in jazz bands, orchestras, or as a solo instrument. It's known for its smooth, rich sound and is a favorite among many musicians. Now, let's focus on the phrase, saxophone repair. Repair means fixing something that is broken or not working correctly. So, saxophone repair involves diagnosing and fixing problems that a saxophone might have. This could include fixing leaks, replacing worn-out pads, straightening bent keys, or even polishing the body to make it shine. It's a meticulous job that requires skill, patience, and a deep understanding of the instrument. Saxophone repair is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, regular maintenance ensures that the instrument produces the best sound quality. Imagine trying to play a beautiful melody on a saxophone with a leaky pad. Secondly, repairs can extend the life of the instrument, making it a cherished item for years or even generations. Lastly, well-maintained instruments hold their value better, which is important for professional musicians or collectors. The individuals who specialize in this craft are known as instrument technicians or repair technicians. These skilled professionals have a deep understanding of musical instruments and how they work. They use specialized tools and techniques to diagnose issues and perform repairs. Some technicians might work in music stores, while others might operate their own repair shops. For those interested in learning saxophone repair, it usually involves a mix of formal education and hands-on experience. Many technicians start by learning about music and instruments in general, followed by specialized training in instrument repair. It's a field that combines the love for music with practical skills and can be very rewarding for those with a passion for musical instruments. We hope this video has given you a harmonious blend of new English vocabulary and insight into the world of saxophone repair. Remember, whether it's a saxophone or any other instrument, regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to enjoying its melody for years to come. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next video.